San Francisco, welcome to the Bay. New York's skyline shining, where dreams are made each day. And Nashville strings echo country, Memphis brings the blues. Miami Beach is glowing, Atlanta sets the news. Colorado mountains touching the sky so high. Texas Longhorns, Houston Rockets ready to fly. New Orleans jazz in the quarter, soul food on the plate. Chicago winds blow cold, but the people's hearts stay warm. Straight from sea to shining sea, we're one nation standing tall. Different faces, different places, but united we won't fall. East to west, north to south, we rise, we build, we dream. This is America, where nothing's what it seems, but everything it can be. Yeah. Seattle rain keeps the coffee flowing, Microsoft growing, LA lights keep the stars showing, palm trees blowing, Boston Tea Party history, Philly Liberty Bell rings, Las Vegas neon signs flashing, slot machines sing, Grand Canyons carved deep like the culture in our streets, Detroit motors running, manufacturing beats, Portland keeps it weird while Denver stays mile high, Montana big sky country where eagles freely fly. Hawaiian wine waves crashing, volcanoes still active, Alaskan wilderness vast, the final frontier massive, New Mexico desert sunsets paint the sky like art, Minnesota lake shimmer, thousands from the start, Kentucky bourbon aging, Maryland crabs are steaming, Wyoming cowboys riding, Pennsylvania steel still gleaming, Arizona cacti standing tall in the heat, New Jersey shores where families come to meet. We've got our problems, yeah, we're far from perfect, but we keep on pushing, making progress worth it. From Silicon Valley coders to Midwest farmers' pride, Appalachian coal miners to Wall Street's high tide. We all bleed the same red, white, and blue inside. Washington, D.C. monuments stand for what we believe. Maine lobster boats sailing where fishermen won't leave. Iowa cornfields swaying golden in the breeze. Louisiana bias where gators swim with ease. Utah salt flats stretching Mormons built their dream. Carolina barbecue smoking a different kind of steam. Wisconsin cheese curds squeaking fresh on the plate. Oklahoma winds sweeping down across the plain. Way to shine and see, we're one nation standing tall. Different faces, different places, but united we won't fall.